I want to talk to you about the greatest real estate concept on the planet, monster garages in Cle Elum. This right here is a 30 by 50 foot floor plan, 14 foot wide garage doors, 16 feet tall, massive ceilings, massive room. It's a place where you can store your toys, operate a business, store your boats, your RVs, your motorcycles, your snowmobiles, whatever the heck you want. They're completely climate controlled, meaning you have heat, you have air conditioning, we have RV plugs, 120 amp circuit for all your power tools to power up your RVs or whatever it may be. You can have a mezzanine up top, your car's underneath, you can put your couch up here, your TV, all that stuff, right? What happens with these concepts is you get a lot of like-minded people together that share similar values. The community is a bunch of crazy people. They're entrepreneurs that think a little bit different. You can imagine what the networking opportunities are like. I believe coming and buying one of these places will actually make you money because you're gonna connect with like-minded people that just know how to make it happen. So this will be pretty cool because this is gonna be a barbecue area where people will come out, these doors open up, you barbecue, cook-offs, cornhole tournaments, you name it. They're not just garages, it's not your typical storage. It's a clubhouse. And what I mean by that is we got couches, we have a big screen TV, a fireplace, a kitchenette, cooktop, dishwasher, fridge, bathrooms, showers, laundry room. If you want to operate business, meet people, you can meet in the conference room. All right, you've seen the concept. Here's what I want you to do next. Either send me a message directly through Messenger here, or click the link below and go to our website. You'll sign up, put your information in, you'll get our price sheet, our current inventory, and if you want to just talk to me directly, just give me a call at 425-345-4920. My name's Cle Elum, and I look forward to connecting with you.